Are you looking for a way to program your car key or your remote for your Toyota 4Runner? Well, I've got a solution for you. I'm Mike with Tomahawk DIY, and I've started a company called Tom's Key Company. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to program the remote. Be sure to go visit tomskey.com where you can purchase this and see lots of other vehicles that this will work for. This is valid for Toyota 4Runners 1999 to 2009. For newer vehicles, email help@tomskey.com if you don't see yours listed on the website. We are working to add more vehicles. Be sure to check out my other video where I'll show you how to program the key using Tom's Car Key Programmer. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, so visit tomskey.com and order your remote and your key. They'll all come in a package. With that package will be some instructions as well as a cable, and here's magic Tom's Car Key Programmer. This will program our key for us. The programming of the remote, we have to go through a little bit of a sequence, and this sequence involves putting the key in the ignition, pulling it out, opening the door, some things like that. That's telling the car computer that it's time to learn a new remote control. I apologize, Tom's Car Key Programmer doesn't program the remote for these older 4Runners, but I've got another way to do it for you. Your master key right here, and the remote that Tom's Key Company will send you when you purchase it from tomskey.com. So we're gonna get these ready. I've got my new remote. This one doesn't work, so you push the buttons. Here's an existing one, works just fine. The alarm will work. Okay, we've got our driver's door unlocked. The door is open. You got to put the key in for a second, pull it out. Put it in, pull it out. Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Open the door. Take your key back in the ignition. Pull it out. Close the door. Open the door. Close the door. Open the door. Put the key in the ignition. Leave it there. Close the door. Turn it on. You're gonna wait a couple seconds. Turn it off. Pull the key out. The lock cycled. It's ready to program. We're gonna push and hold lock and unlock, and then lock. And the lock cycled once. Your key's done. Open the door. Now lock, unlock. The alarm works. The remote power slider works on this one as well. Easy as that. Now if somehow your lock cycles twice, it means it didn't take your program. You gotta go through that process again. So there you have it. Seen my video of programming your remote for your 4Runner, older 4Runners, and a 1999 to 2009 that should work for this remote. When you place an order from tomskey.com, all this stuff will come: the programmer, the cable, the instructions, the key, the remote. I give you a money back guarantee, 100% guarantee. So if it doesn't work, things don't play out properly, no big deal. Put it all back in the envelope. I'll include a prepaid shipping label that you place on, send it all back, and you get all your money back. It should work for most vehicles, although I will warn you, if there's already 4 keys or already 4 remotes programmed, Toyota computers generally can only handle or can only accept 4 keys and 4 remotes. So maybe you had some prior owners of the vehicles that lost some keys and you've already maxed out. Be sure to check out my other video where I'll show you how to program the key using Tom's Car Key Programmer. Thanks so much for watching Tomahawk DIY. Like the video, go visit tomskey.com and check out, see if we can provide this to program your car key and remote and save you a bunch of money over a dealership or a locksmith pricing. Have a great day.